I'm Don Sundman, and I want to talk a little bit about my favorite stamp, the famous Jenny invert plate number block. And this is in Scott catalog value about $3.5 million. Many people tell me they think it's worth $5 million. And so this is the most valuable stamp item in the world, stamp rarity in the world. It's an interesting story about how after the error was discovered on the very first day of sale, that the Bureau of Engraving and Printing changed how they print the stamp. The error stamps were printed like this, with the top cut off, and these are called no-top sheets. So after the error was discovered, the sheets were altered, and the word top was added in blue and red at the very tops of the sheets. These are called two-top sheets. And the very rare sheet is called a one-top sheet, because in between the no-top sheet and the two-top sheet, there were some sheets that were printed just in red. And when they were completed the next day in blue ink, the blue top is at the top of the sheet. And these are very rare. Maybe there's 2 or 3 sheets that exist. And so it's fun to see all these different variations on just this one stamp issue. And this is kind of fun that goes along with the Jenny story. A stamp dealer who owned the Jenny invert and was afraid that he might be robbed, created this little imitation fake, and he would carry it around in his jacket pocket, and he said if anybody tried to hold them up, he was going to give them this stamp and run away. All these stories and more are in Mystic's booklet about the Jenny, which is free on our website, mysticstamp.com. You can download it and read it and share these great stories with your friends. Thank you.